Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How are you all? Right, let's start another week. Let's start again. Let's rebalance. Let's restructure. And I've done exactly that. How are you all? Over the week. So let's start another week. All that now. And I'm going to tell you exactly what I've been up to over the weekend. On Friday, after hours, I was very busy, but over the weekend, extremely busy. Doing some major restructuring to my portfolio. You may have noticed already what's going on. All right, so let's have a look at it. Be very interesting to get everyone's comments this morning. Let me check all the screens. We're all good around the studio. Everything's looking fine, and away we go. So let's get straight into the trades first of all. Okay, this is my overall portfolio. Balance looks about the same, right? Not quite the same. Look at the buying power. Completely different. Why? I'll explain when everybody joins in this morning what's going on. Okay, major restructure, major rebalance, major reset. Okay, let's subscribe, ring the bell if it's your very first time here, and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. Let me come straight in now, and let's see who's here in the chat already. Who was first in today? Who goes into the prize draw for the Star Trader of the Year? We've got Muzanella is come right in. There's Muz. Are the stock splits happening today? No, not that I'm aware of. Which stock splits? You talking about Tesla, Amazon? No, Amazon is in, I think, the 7th of June. And Tesla hasn't announced it yet. Luke Townsend, good morning to you. Ging Gartelman. How are you? Lovely to have you here. Ging Gartelman, lovely to see you. I think it may be the first time. How are you this morning? Welcome to our channel. Welcome to the family. All right, let's go straight in and see where we are. Let me check all my numbers and all my screens. Let's have a look. We're over today on TikTok. Good morning, TikTokers. How are you? Join us live here on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Cash giveaways most days. Lovely to have you here. We've got a cash giveaway video for you today if you want to be part of it. Let me check Twitch. Yes, we're over there on Twitch as well. 26 followers now. Thank you very much. Ging Gartelman. You're over there on Twitch. Thank you very much indeed. It's lovely to have you here. Lovely to have you here. Our home is youtube.com/thedaytrader1. That's where our traders are, but we're very, very new to Twitch, but thank you very much for joining us. Consider following me. I'm trying to get to 50 followers. I've only been doing it a couple of days, so your help would be very much appreciated. All right. Oh, that's me, Bill. That's you. Okay. Thank you, Bill. I thought the name sounded familiar, but I wasn't 100% sure, so I didn't want to assume. Right, okay. What's happening with my Tesla there? Why isn't that refreshed properly? That's better. There we go. That was weird. Right, we're down 8% at the moment on Tesla. It's down today 1%. It's me, Bill. Sorry, Bill. You've already followed me then, right? Okay. Now then. We're waiting to buy a few shares here. Rivian. Have I got shares in Rivian? Have I got an order placed? No. I'm not in with Rivian at the moment, and I need to be. Let's have a look. So the buying power now is 143. Let's buy. So that's. I forgot that one. Tesla, Rivian. Let's buy a share of Rivian. My complete portfolio has changed, and I will explain exactly what I've done shortly. Review the order. Buy one share of Rivian. Really? I've got to verify my email. Do that again? That's not annoying at all. Okay, let me change the screen. I don't want to give away all my secret codes. Okay, maybe it's the first time on the website. Reset my account. I'll explain exactly what I've done today. When we get the family in, what's going on, why I've done it. But a very big day. One of those momentous days. There we go. I've got a position now in Rivian again. Okay. Elon Musk has went full Alex Jones on us all. Yeah, we've got all sorts of issues to deal with at the moment, haven't we? With Elon Musk, no question about it. SPCE, let me open up VU. I also want to open up Walmart as well. These are the ones I'm looking at this morning. Open. Tilray. I think I've already got Tilray open. IPOF. We've got that now open. Microsoft. Walmart. That'll do for now. Okay. The S&P is up 0.74. Open door, I'm down 0.5%. IPOF down 0.2. Walmart, I'm queued to buy a share. I'm out of Walmart at the moment. Tesla down 7.79, but coming up. Rivian, I've got one share. SPCE, still got 901. You'll be glad to know. Stand by my principles. Amazon, 1.43. Twitter, I can close Twitter. I'm not involved in it anyway. Let's refresh this one. Facebook, Meta, down 0.36. And I think, yeah, I'm holding on that one at the minute. Nvidia is down 2%. So let's buy in dollars. Amount $10. Review the order. Done. Okay. Nvidia, very important to have that in your portfolio. Meta, waiting for a bigger dip. Let me refresh. Gores, Guggenheim. We've got the merger coming up. And we've got Robinhood, just one share of Robinhood at the moment. Lucid, just one share. PayPal, an order placed. Palatine is going down. Immersion, nothing in Immersion right now. I can close that one down. On, we'll get something there. Rolls-Royce, we want to try and get out of Rolls-Royce now. Apple, got to refresh a few of these screens. Bear with me. Coca-Cola, okay, queued. Ethereum, very small position now. You'll see a lot of changes. DNA, Ginkgo Bioworks, we've got IonQ. Just bear with me a second, guys. Got to refresh a lot of these screens this morning. Things have changed quite dramatically. Let's go back to the main portfolio. We're up 0.14 at the moment. If you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Come into the chat. Who we got? Oh, thank you, Zach. Development Alert, Uganda. Smash the like button. Absolutely right. Let's see who's here this morning. When we are in a bear market, we have to adjust the way we trade. Yes, we do. Hello, Lucas Age. Welcome back from the weekend. Love it. That's it. Use the hashtag wherever you, you'll now see it's below the video as well. So you can search for it on YouTube as well. So if you search Lucas Age, you can find all the videos. This morning, Elon postponed the premiere of the full self-driving car until 2023. Okay, that's not good news for Tesla. There we go. Right. So we're up 0.09 at the moment. All right. Vanguard S&P, I'm up 0.92. Okay. If we get a little pop there this morning, I will sell a share to put some money in the buying power. And open door, we're up. So IPOF, we're on a down at the moment. Got one. Walmart is queued. Tesla, I've got 12 shares. A big dip, I'll buy some. Rivian, It's flat right now. I'll buy another one if it goes lower, but I need to sell something to do that. Virgin Galactic now down 7%. Amazon is up 0.7. Nvidia, I'm up 0.04. Just bought one, or at least bought $10 of it. Meta, I haven't re-entered that yet. Let's get some perspective on Meta and step back. Okay, it's pretty low. I think what I'll do is I'll put a mark in the ground. I'll buy $10 of... I hope this stops doing this. This is a pain in the ass, isn't it? Might be because the first time. Here we go again, look. This is because I've reset everything, so I've probably got a little bit of security to go through until it sort of recognises, okay, you know, you can trade now. Okay, back to the trading screen again. Just bought $10 of Facebook. It's worth having some, I think. Of course, Guggenheim, we're just holding for a second. Lucid we have. Hood we have. All right, we're waiting for dips to come on our favorite stocks, and then we'll have another little look at it. Right, so if we got everybody here, and I'll tell you what I've been doing and tell you why it's been done. Right, okay, we've got 22 watching now. We've got 9 likes. Let's sort the likes out. Sort the likes out. It's rebalancing day. Everybody smash the like button. Let's get 20 likes in the next minute. Here we go. Let's go. Chicky, 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 boom, boom. I don't know why I'm tapping my foot like this is a great song, but I am. I'm sitting here under the desk, tapping my foot like I've put the best song in the world on. Smash the like button. There we go. 1 minute. 20 likes. Chiggy, 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 boom, boom, chiggy, 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 boom, boom. 14 likes, not too bad. Uh, 15 likes, we want 20 likes in 1 minute. Smash the like button. It's going to be okay today, alright? We're going to be okay. Alright, that'll do. Well done indeed. 14, not bad at all. Much better than, what was it, 9? So there you go. Congratulations. All right, everybody over on TikTok, thank you very much for all the love. Thank you for all the Lucas Aids. Hashtag Lucas Aids, my army over on TikTok, letting everyone know about the show. Right, so I think most people are here now. I am waiting for Market Profit, Peru, Moose and Ella's here, because I want particularly their comments on what I've done. So I might just wait for a little while. Those guys normally come in. Moose is already here. So let's have a look at it right now. The buying power. Buying power, I have $94. Pending orders, 83. So that's about to be spent. The 43,000 is obviously margin. Not using margin right now. Major rebalance. Some very big news here. I don't know if you noticed earlier, by the way. I'll open this up. Bitcoin BSV. Peru's been talking about it as an investment. And we're up 10% on it. And I only bought it yesterday. Bitcoin BSV up more than Bitcoin BTC today. Nicholas Morello, no margin. Correct. I will explain in detail when everybody arrives. I want Market Profit and I want Peru in. Definitely want Market Profit in because I want his opinion. I want all your opinions, but I want to see what the reaction is this morning. Yeah, Bitcoin BSV. Now, if you don't know about this one, some people say it's a scam. I don't know. What do I know? You got Craig Wright, who claims to be Satoshi. People go, it's all a joke. How can he be Satoshi? Well, I guess he could be Satoshi more than anyone else. But anyway, he's claimed himself to be Satoshi, so that's where we stand. It was proved in a court case that he's not actually a con artist. So take it as you will. But anyway, Bitcoin BSV, Satoshi's vision. That's what it means. It's Bitcoin, still 22 million, exactly the same. Or 21 million, I always forget. 21, 22. Exactly the same amount, exactly the same. It's just a branch off, if you like. And it's on the same network. It's another version of it, if you like. You want to put it that way. And apparently this is the real Bitcoin. And what we mean by that is when we say the real Bitcoin, BTC is Bitcoin, but this is the real Bitcoin on the principles of the white paper. The white paper explains certain principles, and BSV fits more to it than BTC does. So you can argue this is the real Bitcoin. That's what Peru will tell you. That's what people tell you. Some people say, no, it's all a scam. Anyway, it's up to you. So at the end of the day, I bought one Bitcoin. I bought one BSV. I bought one. Because at the end of the day, if this is the real Bitcoin, if you want to call it that, if you think this is the real deal, the real one, and no one really knows. I say it's a scam. Ali Tisro believes it's a scam. There you go. So it's up to you. For me, it's a lottery ticket. I've bought one. And it's up 11%, 10.7% today. Imagine it's the real one. Imagine that this, for some reason, catches on and goes to 40,000. You only need to own one, don't you? So the way I see it is a lottery ticket. I bought it at the all-time lowest price it's ever been. Well, all right, it's never been lower than it is now. I mean, it was 49 or whatever it was, I think. This is the all-time lowest ever price, 47. It's never been lower than this, all right? At least, yeah, it's never been lower than this. This is the all-time low, right? So you buy it now. You buy one for $53 now. I'm up 11% on it. Imagine if suddenly everyone goes, you know, this is the best coin to have, and you own one. I mean, that's the way I'm looking at it. I'm not going to suddenly buy 50 of them thinking, right, here we go. Let's load the boat with BSV. I have no idea, if I'm totally honest with you. But Peru believes it's the real deal. He's been right on all our trades. I have to say that. He's been right on every trade we've ever done, if you get the timing right, at least. So I'm thinking, all right, I know Peru's got a lot of these, and I've only got one. But if it goes to 40,000, if it does what Bitcoin does, you know, in 10 years, you look back and go, I bought one. You've got a whole Bitcoin. Wouldn't you love to own a whole Bitcoin? I'd like to own a whole Bitcoin, but I can't afford that. But I can afford a BSV. So there you go. You can regard it as a scam if you want. I don't know. No idea. But for me, it's worth For me, it was worth $47. The lowest all-time price. So there you go. Ali Tisro says it's a scam. So there you go. All crypto is a scam. There you go. Paul saying all crypto is a scam. We can still make money on it, though. Yeah. So, you know, you all make your own choice. Now, I think we've got most people here now. I would have liked to have waited for Market Profit and Peru. But nevertheless, I'm going to explain because I don't want you all in the dark. As you know, everything on this channel is real, genuine, upfront, honest. Share the bare bones of everything. Now, after the show on Friday, I had 2 hours left to trade in the after hours. So what I've done, I had to do in the after hours. And I did it all in the after hours. And basically, I went through my stocks in the finest detail, more than I can do during a live show. Obviously, I'm presenting a show. It's not to my best, you know, I can't navigate as well as I might like to. Anyway, basically, I went through my portfolio and I had a heart-to-heart with my wife who didn't know that I had so much on margin. I mean, she knew I was using margin. She's in the other room. She can hear the show. But she doesn't watch it in detail, you know, doesn't watch everything. And she was very concerned the amount of margin I had. Now, to be fair, my wife doesn't understand it as much as I do. She just buys a small amount and leaves it there. She's not trading. She just whatever. But she felt uncomfortable, and we sat down. And, you know, because remember, I've got no debt. Paid the mortgage off, no car loan. Went bankrupt years ago. Remember, you know the story. Never been in debt since then. And, you know, margin is debt. It is debt. You don't sometimes feel it's debt because it doesn't feel like debt, because you think, well, I've got the shares here, I can sell them whenever I want. But it is debt. And she said, I don't want you to have margin. I don't like it. The amount of, whatever. And after my phone call conversation with sorry, I can't bloody think now. My brain's gone. Why is that not showing I've got any shares of that? I do have shares of that. That's a bit weird. I've got Google. Why is that showing I haven't got any shares of Google? Did I sell on my Google? Huh. I think I sold all my shares of Google as well. All right, never mind. Anyway, we decided, okay, enough's enough. We need to rebalance the portfolio because we've been buying dips, and forever and ever and ever it's been dipping. And that's the situation we've been in now for a long, long time. So I decided to clear my margin. The interest rates are going up with Robinhood. When I started it, it was 2%. It went to 3. It's now 3.25. It's soon going to be 4.5 because interest rates are going up. So they'll track it up. The dips have continued. So I've took a loss. I sold all of my everything to cover all of my margin. 100%. No margin whatsoever. So that's basically what I did. Let me just buy a Google, or at least $10 of Google. So has that gone through? Placed. There we go. That's better. So basically, I have got no margin now. I've still got Robinhood Gold, but I've got no margin. I'm not paying any interest. If it dips like it did this morning when I first woke up, it's recovered a little bit. I'm not looking to sell at a loss again or whatever. So I've rebalanced the account. Now, some of it obviously then won't show the full story, because if I look at VU, for example, it says I'm up 0.71. I am up 0.71 because remember what we learned the other day as well. Remember what we learned the other day, which is very, very important. Robinhood, like all brokerages, default uses the FIFO system. First in, first out. And remember, I've told you how you can get around that now. I've got an email from Robinhood. If I buy a share or a certain amount of shares today, I can email them. And before it settles, you've got like 2 days today and then 2 extra work days. You can actually say, I want you to sell this share, rather than FIFO, first in, first out. So if you've bought one share at $100, you don't want to sell that one because you'd lose money. You want to sell the one you've now bought at $80, and you can tell them. If you don't tell them, they'll sell the first one you owned, which might be at a higher level. So there it is. That's how you can get around FIFO. So obviously I made some mistakes there. I was selling some stocks. I was selling the wrong ones, and I've been doing it for a while. So I've still managed to make money. I'm up from $5,000, as you all know. But at the end of the day, we started to lose some serious amounts of money over the last few weeks, 6 weeks, going into 7 weeks. So I thought enough's enough. Got to bite the bullet, take a loss, and remember, a loss is not a loss until you finally walk away. If I walked away now, and I was down thousands and thousands, I think like 28,000, that money's gone. If I walked away from the market and was done, closed my account, I've lost $28,000, period. But remember, it's never over until the fat lady sings, until it's actually over, because you can earn that money back. So you've lost it, shares have gone down, shares come up again. So I'm still here, I'm still in the game, and now we're trying to make it all back. But there's no point going down with the sinking ship. Sometimes you have to be balanced, and I gave some real soul search into the fact that Amazon and Ford sold and lost billions of dollars with Rivian. They took the loss. And they've got better accountants and financial advisors than I am. I'm the world piano man, you know what I mean? So let's get that straight. So I decided to clear all my margin, start again, rebalance. So when VU says I'm up 0.71, we all know I've lost 28 grand, right? We all know that's down. You know, Vanguard S&P is down like 15-20% over the last 7 weeks or so. But that money's gone. Forget that. You start again. So I sold all of VU and bought it back to rebalance the what you see on the screen. So it's not showing down 7%, which is what it was showing because I was buying the dips. It wasn't showing the full 15% or whatever. Now it says I'm up. Now, I'm not kidding myself. I'm not up because if I look at my actual portfolio and I go to the all-time, that never lies. That you can't manipulate that. The only way you can manipulate that and make that look green and great and make yourself feel good is close the account and open a new one. If you sell all your stocks but you haven't closed the account, you're still down, look, $24,000. It was 28, so that's better, isn't it? $24,000. It's already a bit better. But anyway, the point is, that will never lie. That's what you've got. That's what you're worth. That's how much you've lost. All right? But the good news is, if the shares go down today, there's no panic anymore. There's no stress. There's no margin call. There's no trading on fear. There's no trading with emotion again. I used to be like that, and I got stuck in it. So margin is still there. Buying power is still there. And we have seen situations where a breaking news story will come out and a dramatic, massive drop will happen. And I would probably use it for that. Let's say suddenly someone says something at Tesla and Tesla goes $200 in a crash sale. You could set a buy. You could set a buy. If Tesla hits $200, buy one. And you use margin for that. Because that will be a momentarily, yeah, I think that's a real word. And you could buy the dip and it pop back up again. But other than that, no. Margin is completely and utterly cleared. And you can see my margin is completely cleared because there is brokerage cash. When brokerage cash goes to zero, margin is being used. And I don't know if everyone understands that. Margin cannot be used. You cannot use margin. It's physically impossible to use margin when you have cash. You can't have the cash on the side, earn 1% because you can earn 1% with Robinhood. You can also stake your shares with Robinhood. But the moment you go into margin, you don't earn any interest on your cash and you can't stake the shares you've bought with margin. So there are limitations to margin as well. It takes away some of the perks and benefits. So there you go. I'm out of margin right now. What does everybody feel? Let's do a poll. Let's do a poll. Was my rebalancing a good idea? Right, was my rebalancing a good idea? Yes, no, or don't know. Or I'll put undecided. Undecided. Okay, there you go. Peru just missed it all. Oh, he's just come in. That's a real shame. I just explained exactly what I've done over the last couple of days. Rebalanced my account, cleared all my margin, explained why, explained all about Leah, my wife, the conversation with Robinhood, the benefits. You can't earn interest when you are on your cash, when you have margin. You can't stake your shares when you're on margin. Anyway, rebalance the whole thing emotionally. So sold every single thing I had to sell to clear margin. And now I have Margin available, but the buying power is currently $84. There you go. So let's see some of the comments. Alex is here. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here. Good morning, Alex. Good morning, good people. Is that Peru over on helping me out on Twitch? Let me have a look. Yes, it is. Great stuff. Yeah, if you could open up 2 tabs, guys. I need to get 50 followers on Twitch, but I need 3 people watching per stream. I'm trying to become an affiliate on Twitch. It helps grow the YouTube channel like I am on TikTok. So I don't want you to abandon YouTube. YouTube is the home, most certainly. But if you're able to open another window and keep it running, that helps me enormously. I need 3 people per stream. Right now we have 1, which is Peru. Mike's there as well, I think. So we just got 1 right now. Peru, I think, left. But anyway, there is my Twitch account. If you can't keep 2 tabs open, stay on YouTube. But if you can, it helps. And if you've not followed me yet, please follow me. That would be great. Anyway, so let's read some more comments. William says, if you buy and sell the same day, you don't pay any margin interest. No, that's correct. That is correct. And the first $1,000, you don't pay interest either. But the trouble is, that's how I started using margin. And of course, the dips become the dips. You know. Oh, you're not on Twitch. I apologize. It looked like you were Twitch because your icon didn't come up, and that's normally what happens. Anyway, Jason said, very happy you are not exposed to losing large amount of money anymore. Jason likes it. 69% say yes so far. Let's have a look. The question was my rebalancing a good idea? Yes, no, and undecided. There we go. 20%, 19% don't know, actually. So that's interesting. So, but only 12% think it was a bad idea. And those 12% obviously would have said leave it on margin. Now, there's a very good point to that, because I had all those shares. Now, you got to remember, my target is $200,000, and remember, my only income is YouTube. My only income now is YouTube, which is like a few bucks a day. It's not a lot. Where's the money coming from? How can you grow a portfolio unless you put money in? Well, it's very difficult, right? Very, very difficult indeed. So having margin at 3%, and then all the stocks then go up today, I'd like, a lot of, I don't know, $40,000 worth of margin or something like that. It all shoots up. I can make a lot of money very quickly, but I can also lose a lot of money very quickly, right? And then sell it, brilliant. Now I've got a really healthy portfolio. But of course, that's, I feel awful that I don't have 70 shares of Rivian. I've now got 1. But there it is. It's mine at least. It's not 70 of the banks, basically. If you buy, let's have a look. Jason said, being close to 100% invested in a bear market is hard work. Happy what you did. It was hard work. It was stressful. Great idea, rebalancing. Peru Invest, great idea. He likes it. That's nice to see. Mike's over on Twitch. Thank you very much. I have to open an account. Yeah, thank you for that, Peru. Margin for you is a good thing, and for most. There you go. That's Ali's, and Ali was obviously one of the no's, and he has a point, because and another thing is, this is very, very important, why this week is so important, so important. The S&P, I read, had a record. It's never been down consecutively for more than 7 weeks in its history. It's never been down every week consecutively for more than 7 weeks. We're 7 weeks now. It's due a turn up. Now that doesn't mean, because in history, that's like reading charts again. It doesn't mean to say we're guaranteed this week's going to be great. But the chances are it will be. Because in history, it's never gone more than 7 weeks. And we're talking about the 2018 crash, Black Wednesday, Black Friday, the COVID crash, the dot-com bubble. All of these moments in history, the S&P apparently has not been down more than 7 weeks. And we're 7 weeks now. So to have all that money on margin or all those dips would be great. But remember though, I bought it all on the way down. If I'd used the margin at the bottom, the moment it goes up, I'm making money. Really making a lot of money. And all that money's working for me. Brilliant. But the reality was, I started buying the dips like 5 weeks ago. It's 5-6 weeks ago. So I'm not at the bottom. So it won't be as great. So anyway, I made the decision to do that. Main thing, stop the bleed. Yeah, that's Jason's point. No margin is a great idea. No margin is a great idea. Peru, can you just clarify? Do you mean no margin is a great idea? So you think it's a great idea, or no margin is a great idea? Can you just reword that? I want to just be absolutely clear what you're saying then. Mike says, I think you did the right thing, by getting rid of debt. There you go. Now, I am not a margin fan. There you go. There you go. We got it right now. It's 80% chance to see. It's 80% chance to see S&P in 300, 600 soon. There you go. That's what Total Ignorance says. I don't like margin from Peru. No, margin is only a great idea if you have enough money to buy what you want and are comfortable with. Well, yeah, and I was, but where margin got a little bit, and I wouldn't say scary, but maybe it should have been. Maybe I should have been scared. To protect, and you've been watching me do this, to protect from a margin call over the last 6 weeks, I've been pulling in every penny from the bank I have. Like literally, my bank account was literally empty. Literally empty. I had nothing in my private account, nothing in my business account, literally nothing. I thought, right, and we all know that it's all about survival. If you can survive to the bottom, then you can do well. And that's basically what I did. And now I'd run out, there was no more money. It was, if it goes down again, I'm just selling down and down and down and down and down. And well, as we've seen today, we are up slightly, but it pretty much it's right on the button. It was down earlier, but anyway, so there we are. Okay, let's move on very, very quickly with a quick commercial break. Be right back in 1 minute. You might see the ads, you might not. Depends how lucky you are. If you want to help support me, every ad you watch through earns me a cent. It goes towards our cash prizes at the end of the week. Nothing's going to happen for a minute, so enjoy the ad or not. The choice is yours. Here comes the ad. Okay. You may have seen the ad, you may not. Anyway. Let's read some more comments out here. Using margin is like an art. Keeping aware of the reality of the size of the position, I find personally. Yeah, I agree with that. Ali Tisro, I just think your timing was bad. I believe to never sell when you are in deep in red and relief rally is due. I agree. I mean, that's obvious. You're absolutely right. Why would you sell in the red when a rally is due? I agree. I agree 100%. So why did I do it? Why did I do it? Well, life isn't black and white, and sometimes you got to swallow a bitter pill, and I swallowed it. But put it this way, my relationship's a lot better, and the most important thing is making money. Why am I doing this? I'm doing it so I can provide a wonderful future for my wife. So there's not much point if I don't have a wife at the end of it, is it? I'm not saying we got into an argument. We didn't at all. But my wife was upset. She was like, "That's a lot of money," and I thought it is a lot of money, and It can go to zero. Not expecting it to, but it's, at least what I've got now is my own. His wife made him sell. No, she didn't. No, Leah didn't at all. Sell your wife, keep your stocks. Leah is a strong woman. She is a very strong woman, and she was not. We didn't argue or anything. It was just a conversation. That's a lot of money on margin, and it's relative though. I understand that, and I understand more about stocks. Obviously, this is what I do. This is my full-time job. My wife's not sitting here trading all day. She doesn't do it at all. So I do understand it more, but the principle is the same. If you use margin, do not use to the max. Like if you can buy 40,000, buy not more than 20. Make yourself a space for long drops. There's a good argument there. So far then, 24 votes. Yes, 75%. Only no said 12. Oh, no is 16% now. At the end of the day, it's better to have no margin. Shame about the timing though. At the end of the day, it's better to have no margin. At the end of the day, yeah. Let's remember why we get margin. We get margin to buy cheap stocks to be able to amplify our gains. That's exactly right. But it's nice to see the portfolio green. And it's nice to see it really green. So what we're doing now, we are looking to buy. We're back in again. So what have I got? I've still got $32,000. I've not taken... Well, I have taken some cash out. I've taken $4,500 out to put back into my bank accounts. I don't know if it works like this for everybody, but Bank of America, minimum $1,500. Chase, minimum $1,500. You get no fees. So I put $1,500 back in Bank of America, $1,500 back in Chase, and $1,500 back in my personal Bank of America. I have 3 accounts, basically. So that's $4,500. So technically, I've taken $4,500 out. So this portfolio could actually be 37. Sorry, 37. It could be 37 as opposed to coming up to 33. But at the end of the day, I don't want to be paying fees on all that money. So there you go. The only time I ever used margin was in 2009 trading Forex if I lost my AZZ. Is that you lost your ass? Is that what you mean? Let us not forget those guys. This is a bear market. Don't doubt the strength of the bear. Any recovery will likely be limited. That is another thing. That is another thing. With your margin, if you go up today, are you going to sell into strength and come out of margin? Make some profit. That's the thing. Because what is likely to happen, and I agree with Jason, we are in a bear market, and the bear market is determined by how many weeks you were down, and we are in a bear market now. The fact of the matter is, if we have a bit of a recovery today and get all excited and then do nothing about it and then go back down again, we're now back in margin call again. Or at least now, what I can do today is, and what I will do, right, I will try to sell something, because remember, we now know about FIFO. Very, very important. And all my positions are new. So today's prices is what I will be selling them for, right? So we've got, even though I'm down on VU, for example, my biggest position, I lost a lot of money. I'm up 0.71 because I sold everything, bought back in again. So that's wiped out. That money's gone, right? We're starting again. If I sell today, I'm selling at that price. If I sell a share of VU, I'm selling it at 358. Right. So basically, if I can go up 2 or 3% today on VU, which is possible, I will sell maybe 1 or 2 shares of VU, right? And I'll put it in my cash, right? And what I'll do then is I'll go through here and go, right, let's wait for open door to go down a couple of percent, buy one of those and add to it. Let's get IPOF to go down and buy one of those. Let's get Walmart and so on and so forth. The shares I want to hold, I've already got like $10 of some if they're expensive, like fractional shares, and 1 shares of the cheap ones. You know, the $9 ones, the $5 ones, the penny stocks, so on and so forth. And buy the dips. That's what I'll do today, using my cash from VU, from a profit. So there we go. The whole thing has been rebalanced. Now, what I've kept nearly all my VU. That's safe, right? I've kept all my Tesla. I continue to buy the dips. And I've kept nearly all my Virgin Galactic, because this is what can make me the most money the quickest. So Ali says, I'm confused. Can you explain how you only had 1,000 of buying power last week? Now you have 40,000, but your portfolio is 5,000 less than it was. Yeah, Ali, it's very simple, really. And you're going to kick yourself when I tell you. Basically, this is your margin. Because I paid the margin off, basically Robinhood will give you a certain amount of margin depending on how much money you've got. The more money you've got, the more money they will give you. And I've got 43,000 of margin available. Look, margin available 43,000 because I paid it all off. So if I wanted to, but I don't, I could spend 43 grand today and buy all the dips. If I think it's the bottom. But if I load up my margin account again, that would be stupid. I've decided not to use it. In emergency, you know, in and out in a day, that's a different ball game. But just to buy the dips and have margin again, I'm back where I started from. So no, I'm not doing that. That's why my margin available is 43. And you know I've not used any margin because there's cash available. When that goes to 0, margin starts getting used. You can't even use margin. Looks like Robinhood isn't giving you a 5x leverage, which is very standard. Well, that's what they're giving me. Basically, they're giving me what? That's nearly 1.5 times, I suppose. 1.5 times. Anyway, that's what they're giving me. Does that all make sense, Ali? Did that make sense? But a lot more healthy, right? BSV up 10.54. Right, now then. I am up at the moment. $4 on a share. I could sell 2 and put $700 in my account and buy a dip from somewhere. And I will. No, I won't sell it just yet. Let's get a couple of percent, whatever. But I do want to, you know, improve my position. I'm not going to buy any Mullen. But Tilray, I've only got 2 shares of Tilray now. It's nothing, is it? I mean, like nothing at all. I'm down 0.6. I bought a couple of shares or a couple of bucks of each of the shares that I like to put them on the board so I could see them. And they're there, you know, waiting to go. I won't be buying any Uber, Matterport. I won't be buying any Matterport. I won't be buying any Joby. I sold all these. IonQ, yes, I'll be buying that. I've only got 2 right now. I've got to sort that out. Ginkgo Bioworks, might buy something there. But there we go. That's where we are. Coca-Cola. You know, I've got a limit order going through in a minute. So there we are. There we are. Yeah, so your portfolio would be worth nearly 80,000 if you used it all now. No. My portfolio wouldn't change. Ali Tisro, if I used all my margin, this number here, the value of my portfolio would not change. My invested balance would change. I would have $80,000 in the market. You're absolutely right. If I look into my, in the back end of my account, and the only reason I'm not showing you that is because it shows you my account number on the screen. Otherwise, I would share that with you. Unfortunately, I can't because it will show you my account number. where that sits. But yes, if I spend all my margin now, I would have 80,000 invested, but my portfolio is only worth 32.8. Because remember, all I own of the margin is the profit or the loss. So if I use the $40,000 of margin and I went up by 10 grand today, my portfolio would go up to 42. It would go up 10 grand because the profit I'd made. Or it'd go down by 10 grand. But it would never just go $80,000. No, that's a separate figure. That's the fully invested amount of the portfolio. But what I'm actually worth is that. That's what I'm actually worth. If I sell everything right now, that's what I'm worth. You're not worth the margin. You don't add the value of the margin. You add the value of the margin to your invested amount, but you don't add it to your portfolio balance. Just the profit and the loss is your balance. Does that make sense? Yeah, so your portfolio would be worth 80 grand if you use all now, but if you use all your buying power last week, your portfolio would only be worth 4. But if you use all your buying power last week, your portfolio would only be worth 45. Okay, I understand now. Never dealt with margin stocks. Sorry for dumb. No. That's what we're here for. Never a dumb question. Bloody hell. I mean, dumb question. I'm the king of dumb questions. I am the king of dumb questions. Hello. I've been trading for a year on Robinhood in public, live on YouTube, not aware of FIFO. If you want to talk about flipping dumb questions, I have not been understanding FIFO. I've been buying a stock at 100, buying another one at 80, thinking I'm selling the one at 80 and I was selling the one at 100. I've been making some serious mistakes. We keep learning. We learn all the time, and that was brought to my attention by, I think it was Fusion, 301 and Market Profit, and thank God they did. You keep learning all the time. If you keep making mistakes and learn from them, it was a mistake worth making. It's how you learn everything. If you don't learn anything, then you're going backwards. But if you learn something, you're always winning, right? Muzanella, I just posted on the Discord today the stocks that are moving with the monkeypox outbreak. Monkeypox. What do we think about monkeypox? Is it the new COVID? Is the world going to come to an end again? What does everybody feel about that? Let me open up the broadcast lounge if anybody wants to call in. Oh, and by the way, I have got some very, very important breaking news with YouTube. Would you hear the other day? I think I mentioned it on Friday. Friday closing bell. You may remember the Thursday phone-in with Ali Tisro and Peru disappeared off my account. Did you see the video was taken down? Did everybody see that? I had a very, very stressful time with YouTube. The video was taken down. Peru thought or suggested perhaps it was because someone had complained. We were concerned that maybe the conversation about Bitcoin was scammy or something. We know it's not scammy, of course, but anyway. But no, it was none of those things. And I've got, before I tell you, this is the tip from Peru. Peru has sent in the stocks that are moving on the news of monkeypox. I don't know how to explain that one. SIGA, SIGA, EBS, GOVX, IMGN, and INO. These are, these look like biopharmaceutical. Yeah, they are. They're all right. So these are ones that are making money because of monkeypox. Now, you may remember what happened with Moderna, COVID. Remember? No, Peru, it's not what you think. I'll tell you right now. So there you go. So there is the stocks you might be interested in that are growing. So there's a top tip there because of, monkeypox. And we had the same surge in Moderna. Remember what happened to Moderna, though? It crashed back down again. This could be a temporary profit-making opportunity. I'm not in the market for this kind of thing right now because I need to get my, I need a stable base. This could be very, very quick money. I don't know. But anyway, there you go. That's a very, very good tip. And thank you for Peru sending that in. No. So, over the weekend, I was upset. I was very worried because you may remember, for those of you here at the beginning, this is the 4th edition of this channel. The first 3 got taken down. The first 3 got deleted. There was a period of time a year ago when accounts were getting deleted and literally wiped off. You'd appeal, you get it back, they do it again, appeal, and then it gone permanent. It was awful, 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 awful. Fortunately, I was a very small channel, with like 50 subscribers, whatever, but it still hurt. Start again. This is the 4th reincarnation. So when on Thursday night, after our great phone-in, which I had a lot of feedback from, by the way, people loved it. Thank you, Ali Tisro. Thank you to Peru. It was a highlight of our channel. It was really great. Loved it and want to do it again. The video got took down. And Peru said maybe someone complained. Maybe it come across as scamming. I went, well, it's the same subject matter, isn't it? I'm talking about Bitcoin all the time. Talking about cash giveaways all the time. What could it be? No idea. Well, we got to the bottom of it. It's reinstated. As is everybody's. It was a glitch at YouTube. It was a glitch at YouTube. And the bots were taking down videos and marking them as private. And you get a generic email which says, this is being perceived as scam, deception. I'm thinking, what? It's the same title, the same thumbnail, the same description. I thought, well, the only thing different is the conversation. Well, I had the same conversation, but just on my own. Is it the voice of Peru? Is it the voice of Ali Tisro? No. It was just bad luck. They were taking down videos. So anyway, it's reinstated. I'm really glad because I can now think, okay, it wasn't me. It wasn't, I'm not in trouble. There's not some issue going on. We're all good. Right. We're down to the last few seconds of the, before the market opens. I've got a few shares that will get bought as the market opens. And that'll be good. 30 seconds to go. Get ready. The SEC doesn't like the XRP holders talking facts. There, we're all good. We're all good. Not an issue. Right, you ready? Few seconds to go. We're going to ring the bell. 10 seconds to go. You ready? Let's get straight into our position and then see where we go this morning. Let's ring the bell. It's Harper's Day. Okay. Shall I do it again? Yeah. Right, there we go. Now we're dropping a little bit. I've just bought all my stocks. Walmart's gone through. Tesco's has gone through. The reason why I had to do it, because fractional shares you can't do pre-market hours. At least not on Robinhood anyway. Right, dip back down, coming back up. Let's see where we go now. So the buying power, there we go. Brokerage cash was all spent. Still not using any margin. There you go. So the pending orders have all gone through. There's no pending orders. Everything is complete. I've got 59 cents in my buying power. Now, if I spend that, then I will go down to margin. So basically what we want to do now is sell something on strength, make a profit from somewhere, and then I can buy some dips. So BSV is up 10.7%. The Vanguard S&P. Now then, here we go. So if we can get a bounce back this morning, I will take some money out of this. These are the prices. We've learned the lessons. Oops, hang on. Where's the camera gone? You've lost my camera. Let me go to this camera and then bring it back in again. Okay, we've lost the camera. Oh, back in again. There we go. That's an unusual thing, isn't it? All right, so no stress this morning. Calm. No margin call. No drama. When we get a pop on Vanguard S&P, we'll take a trade. We're not selling the wrong stocks. We know what we're selling. We've bought them all. We've sold them all. They are an average of 358. If I can make a trade and sell one, let's get 2 or 3% out of it, and then we can buy a dip some. We can buy another open door. We can buy an IPOF. We can do what we want. So that's what we're looking forward to. That's what we're looking to do. Walmart is up nicely. VMW you're talking about. VMW is up nicely. Walmart is doing well. Tesla is still going down. I'm not going to sell this. I'm not fearful now. I haven't got margin. I think a 714 average is fine with Tesla. Not an issue for the future. Oh, by the way, the German Tesla is ramping up. It's extended some of its hours. I think it's doing a second shift or something, and it's improving in China. So this is temporary. Not worried about this at all. And that's the beauty of the situation that I'm in right now. So we're looking to make a profit out of the S&P. Right now I'm up. And unfortunately, obviously, as this goes up, most things will go up, and you can't really gain that much. But nevertheless, I am up 0.65. I could sell one now, and I'd actually be up. Or I could sell two actually. That wouldn't be a bad idea. My average cost is 358. I think I'll wait a minute. But mind you, it's at a wash. I've not lost anything. I'm just literally getting some money to be able to buy some dips. So it's not a bad idea. Let's do a limit order. Let's do a limit order for 2 shares. Limit order. Make sure it goes through at the right price because my profit is very slim. So 360, 63, where we are now, which will be a profit of a couple of dollars a share. It doesn't matter. What should I sell? Should I sell 2? That's a bit weird. Why is that saying? Let me refresh that screen. That doesn't make any sense. That chart wasn't accurate. That number made no sense. All right. Sell. Oh, I see. That's why I was in dollars. Okay. Let's do a limit order. Limit order and 360. 85, so it will sell for more than that, but it won't sell any less. I want to get it to go through. So 360, I'll do 70 because I bought it for 358. So I'm making a profit. I'm just taking some money out, not losing any money. I'm making a small profit. 358, 360. There we go. 360, 70. Shares 2. Let's sell 3. Let's sell 3. Review the order. So 360, 70, it will go for more, but at least I'm not losing any money. I'm making a profit, and I take 3 out. So there we go. Sell that there. It's going lower. I just want to sell it for a wash, but might have to reduce the price just to get a wash. 360.70. Yeah, it's my Tesla average is now 666. Should I be scared? I'd be chuffed if I was you. Because you know it's one for the future, right? So, okay. I just want to sell 3 to put some money in. 360.35. 360.70. I'll have some money in a second. And then I'll have some money to buy some dips. I'm still up on it. I've still got profit in it. I'm just moving funds around. Let me just cancel that order and just do it manually. I just want to sell 3. I want to get 3 shares. Sell, market order, sell 3, put some money in the bank I can use, review the order. Okay. The end of the day, it's a profit, is a profit. I've got 358, it's 359. I'm not losing money on it. I'm just being able to use it somewhere else. There we go, 359. That's fine. I paid 358, so I made $1 profit per share. Doesn't matter. I've now got money in my portfolio. There we go. And now I can go and look at what I want to buy. So BSV, no. VU, no. I've just sold it, obviously. Open Door. So I'll buy 2. Review the order. Buy that. There we go. That's better. IPOF. I'll buy another one. Review the order. Buy IPOF. There we go. Walmart is still going up. Let's wait for a dip to buy a whole share of that. Tesla is now 642. I don't want to do that just yet. I know it's 10% down. I want to wait for it to go lower. Oh, there we go. There's one. Shares. Quick. There we go. 27. Good. That's nice. SPCE. This could be a small trade today. No. Amazon. Got enough. Nvidia. No, it's going up. Too expensive now. Facebook. Not cheap enough. Gores Guggenheim. Do I want to be back in that one with the merger? Possibly. Lucid. One. I'll buy another one. Review the order. Is it going to keep dipping? Yep. A bit more. Down 2%. And go. These dips. Hopefully we can back to margin. No. No, I'm not. Careful. This is how it all. Ali, I'm not using margin at all. Look, I'm not using margin at all. I'm using my cash because I just made a profit on VU. I'm not using any margin at all. That's the point. I made a profit on VU, okay, and now I'm using. Now I'm investing with profit. I'm not using. Look, I've got $900 in cash. I'm not using any margin. Take back your card comment. Take it back, I tell you. Now I'm buying the dips all over again. Hood. Yeah, buy Hood. 2. Review the order. Buy. Oh, damn you. Got to keep doing this again now. It's probably going to do it for a while. Just bear with me a second as I punch in my codes. Reutilize margin. I'm not using margin at all. I'm not using margin at all. I'm able to make profits from something else and use cash. No margin is being used here at all. PayPal. Wait for a dip there. On. On. 1 share of on. Get it back on the books. Oh, this is getting annoying. How long is it going to keep doing this for? This is because I sold all the positions and now I've got to go through this and it does it sometimes. Rolls-Royce down. Try and get rid of our Rolls-Royce if we can. Oh, Boeing. We're out of Boeing right now. And I'm going to clear Boeing down. I'm not going to re-enter that market. Apple up 1.8. Very, very nice. Very strong position with Apple. Google up 0.8 as well. Coca-Cola. Buy 1 share of Coke, even though it's up. Just put a marker in the sand. Oh, this is getting silly now. Come on, Robinhood. Every single time. It's not annoying at all. Okay, Turning the portfolio around now. So we're making profits everywhere, spending cash, not using margin. Do you see what I'm doing? Johnson, I need to bring that up. Open up that one as well. Johnson & Johnson, I'll buy one share of Johnson & Johnson. Buy. Let me buy it this time, please. Oh, man. This is getting silly, isn't it? This is what happens when you reset your account. Ali Tisro, you didn't come back and say, oh, yeah, sorry. He thought I was using my margin again. After everything I've said this morning, he thought I was using my margin again. Come on. What do you think this is? Tell the truth, nothing but the truth, all the time on this show. Real, real, real. Okay, now we're up today. This is nice. Look up. Look up. Did he apologise? Did he apologise? Oh, good stuff. I take it back. There, yeah. Yeah, get in. Yeah. All right, Ali Tisra, I'll give it that one. Right, so there we go. So we're doing well today now. We've got no margin. We're up $200. We've made our $200 today. That's our target. We're using no margin. The margin will increase, by the way. As the balance goes up, the margin will increase. I've got $640 in my cash, which is great because I've made money and I've been able to sell stuff. I've bought Johnson & Johnson back in, and I'm down slightly, like 0.04. I'll buy more when it drops. Bitcoin, BSV, Peru, BSV, 10.4. I'm just saying. I've got one. I've set a buy for 47 to buy it when it goes back down again. But there you go. Vanguard S&P, now I'm up 1%. It's great. Got $10,000 in there. 28 shares. Very, very nice. I could trim off some more if I wanted to now. Open Door is up. I've only got 3 shares of it. But I'm in the game. I'll buy a dip. IPOF, just 2. Waiting for another little dip. Walmart, waiting for an opportunity to buy more. I want to buy a whole share of Walmart. Come on, seriously. You're not going to get much of a dividend, are you, with half a share? Tesla is moving up. Not going to buy any more right now. Rivian, 0.5%. Keep my eye on that. I'll try and pick up another one. Virgin Galactic, no, don't need to do anything there. Amazon, no. Nvidia, doing well. It's made me 2.5%. Facebook, I want to get it cheaper. Gores Guggenheim, Lucid, I wouldn't mind buying some more Lucid. Robinhood, yeah, I like it. Try and get it a bit cheaper. PayPal. I could set limit orders and all these things now. I could do that. I could go along the board. Apple's doing well. Just enjoying the ride. Google doing well. Coke's doing well. We're looking for a dip. Ethereum, I've only got $10 in it now. Bitcoin, waiting for all those to dip back down before I go into those now. Ginkgo Bioworks. What do I know about it? Should I buy it? You know, I think I will buy a share of that. I'll buy 10 shares of that. I'll put that on the board. IonQ. We are down nearly 1%, so we'll buy. Looks like it's going through now. 2. Done. Tilray. Buy. Shares. 2. Buy 2 there. 167 average now. And remember, now we know about FIFO. Now we know about that. You can look below your portfolio here, and you can see the history. So you can see what I've just bought in. See, 956. That's what will sell first. 956. Not 938, 956. If I want to make a trade, I've got to go 956. For 2 shares, beg your pardon. So, it'll tell me what the actual amount was. So I click on that, it'll tell me, and it will say yes, the amount was 478. So it'll tell me filled at 478. So if I want to sell 2 shares, 478 would give me a profit. No more mistakes. You learn from mistakes. Best thing I ever did years ago was go bankrupt. That was a big, major lesson for me. Robert Ruse is saying use it. I think you should use margin. I don't agree. I don't agree right now. Don't want to become YouTube's largest paper hands. I like it. I know, Bill. You are the only missionary investor in the family. It was a joke, Queenie. There we go. Uber is a buying opportunity. Peru says Uber is a buying opportunity. What do you think about Robert Ruse's comment? Yeah, I'm not. I just answered that one, didn't I? Good morning. Market profit. Wish you'd been here half an hour ago. Big discussion on margin. I've rebalanced my entire account. I've cleared away about $50,000 worth of margin. Martin, you sold your margin right when the market profit is starting to be a bull. Yeah, Nicholas Morello there. Did you let Meet Kevin get in your head? No, you can't go bankrupt with margin. No, I'm far from a bull. I think we have a significant downside over the next few weeks, likely 30-40% lower. Interesting market profit. Mr. Carl Scott, what have I missed? Lovely to have you here. Market profit. So what's your opinion on that? Masses of rebalancing to my portfolio. We're now dealing in cash. This is my margin available, 43 grand. I'm not using any of it. And remember, you don't use any margin until you've got all your cash gone. I've taken profits this morning. We now have confirmed with Robinhood all about FIFO, first in, first out. We've learned a lot of lessons on that. Very, very important stuff. And we've now got back into our shares. We're making profits. We've repositioned. Right. And we're looking to reposition as we do it as well. Good job, Mike. I think it was a great idea. There we go. The vote, was my rebalancing a good idea? Today's poll, 58% said yes. 20%, 17% don't know. Oh, sorry. 25% say don't know. So that technically could bring you up to 65% there. But if they were yeses, they don't know. Only 17% said no, it was a bad idea. And of course, the 17%, and I can understand how you'd be in that club. I can easily put myself in that club sometimes. Depends on how I want to look at it. We are 7 weeks into a bear market, and the S&P hasn't been. This is a record now. The S&P is historically about to turn up. Historically, it's about to turn up, and what a time to get out. But remember, when I pay the margin back, it's, most of it is their money. Anyways, we've been through it all this morning. We won't go over it again. Trying to get a Walmart position. Maybe it's worth buying it even though it's moving up. It's because it is massively down. Don't chase the stock, but I'm going to buy a Walmart. I'm going to buy a Walmart. Remember, we're only using profits. We're only using cash. Let's look at Target as well. Target had was slaughtered as well. Now Target is slightly different position. It's still down. So let's look at our buying power now. We want to get in. We want a Target. Yeah, let's get a Target. We can buy a share of Target. That's down today. Buy a share of Target. One. What's the dividend like on it? Yeah, 2.18. Reasonable. Review the order. Let's get a context of it. Yep. Buy one share of Target. There we go. Okay. There we go. So we're down at the moment, 0.91. We're not using any margin at all. We've got a bit of money in buying power. We can make some profits now using FIFO. We understand that. If we do want to sell today's shares, I can now email. I've got the email from Robinhood and say I want to sell the stock I just bought. I now know how to do that. I've got the template set up. So I've got full control. I've learned a lot. I've made some mistakes. I've got some cash on hand. What are we looking at doing right now? Let's have a look. Target. I've got one share of Target. If it goes down, I might pick up some more. Johnson & Johnson. It's just going up and up at the moment. I've got a whole share of it, so I'm up. Wait for another dip. Vanguard, S&P. I'm not doing anything with it. I don't want to sell it at that level either. Open door. IPOF, Walmart, doing well. Okay, that's good. I've only got one share in it, but there you go. Tesla, want to get more, but I haven't got that sort of money at the moment. How do you feel about space today? Let's have a look. Rivian, I'll come on to it. We know Rivian can go down to 19, so I'm going to wait on that one. SPCE. Yeah, I'm not concerned with Virgin Galactic at all. I'm not concerned with it at all. I could actually, in fact, that's not bad. That's a buying opportunity there. What's 100 of that? Not 50. How much money have I got? Yeah, I see a buying opportunity in there. 317, not much. SPCE, 50. 40. Review the order. Now this is where I would need to contact Robinhood. If I buy at 632, I need to tell them I want to sell those shares. If I want to trade these. There you go. Oh, it's done it again. This is not annoying at all. I guess it's going to do this for a while. Did me a favor this time because it went lower. There you go. Now then, if I want to trade this now, not just lower my average, which I would like to do, by the way, I would like to trade it. I can trade it, but I have to then send the email template to Robinhood to make sure that they sell the right ones. And I can do that now. I know exactly how to do it, which is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a profit on SPCE. And all I've got to do is look in my history and I can see what I just bought, 631, 40 shares. And that's what I would tell them I want to sell today. And you can do that. So we're looking now back at VU to make the profits. That's where the profits are going to come from. Elvis Presley's in the building. Garrison, Missouri. Elvis Lee, Missouri. Hello. We got over on Facebook and then he came over to YouTube. There you go. Much better. I bought 10 shares of Walmart today. I am dollar cost averaging into this one. Very, very nice. The only stock in the entire market I think is valued correctly. You must feel a lot better now after clearing the margin, understanding the Robinhood system more. Yes. Yes. I learned nothing from success. I learned everything from failure. And keep learning. Keep getting stronger. Yeah. I feel a lot better. A lot calmer. You know, absolutely. If you've just tuned in this morning, subscribe, ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, let us know you're here. Let us know you're here. Let me go into the chat now and see who's with me. I think it's time. Yes, 35 watching. Right, 1 minute on the clock. We want 30 likes. Come on, folks. 30 likes. Here we go. Smash the like button. Everybody's falling asleep. We've got 21 likes. Smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. He says smash the like. Come on. Here we go. 22. 22. We need 30 likes in 45 seconds. Come on, everybody. Smash the like button. 24. There you go. Help me out. Help us grow. Help the channel grow. 30 seconds. 30 likes. Come on, guys. Let's get 30 likes in 30 seconds. We've got 24, 6 to go, 24 watching. We've got Day Trader of the Day coming up after this. We'll find out who the winner is this morning. We've got the cash giveaway as well. We need 30 likes, 25. Smash the like. 10 seconds to go. There we go. Very, very good indeed. 25, that's much better. Didn't hit my record, but it's a lot better than it was. 26 likes, button smashed up. Smashed it up. That's a bit aggressive, isn't it? It's a bit aggressive. Right, the cash giveaway for Friday, we have got a cash giveaway video. This is the video you need to go and watch. Some of you have watched it, but you've not watched it all the way through. Some of you didn't like it, so that didn't count. And some of you did not leave a comment with the word margin in it. I like margin. I don't understand margin. What is margin? It's my birthday. Garrison, Missouri, if you became a member, we would celebrate your birthday on the show, and you would have your own birthday song. So here is the cash giveaway video for Friday. Go and watch it all the way through. It's 4.5 minutes long, I think it is. Leave a like and leave a comment. Please leave the comment, the word margin in a sentence. Garrison, Missouri, if you become a member today, we can give you a birthday song. You could pay me. People actually pay me to do videograms where I make them their very own song, and it's $500. You get it as a member. You can be a member from a couple of bucks a month. Invite to join. There's the member. Click on the invitation to join in the browser. You can become a member. And live on the show right now, I will sing you happy birthday from my studio with all the lasers, with all the smoke, with all the drama. You get to own the copyright of the video. You have it for yourself. You can put it on Facebook, put it on YouTube, copyright free. And not only do you get the song, but everybody in the channel will blow it up, and Wish you happy birthday and it'd be amazing. There you go. I am not rich. It's $2. People pay $500 for me to make them videograms. You get it as a member for $2. That's all it is. Less than the price of a McDonald's. Less than the price of a cup of coffee. Should you wish to do that, we can. It's a member's perk. I can't make it any cheaper. It's the lowest amount I can charge on YouTube. $2 to be a member. There you go. All right. Right, we're just coming up a bit. We're still down 1.5%. We got $65 now in available to spend. We've invested it this morning in the dips. Let's see if we can get some. Here we go. If we can get Virgin Galactic to pop up, I will sell those 40 shares. But this time, I will tell Robinhood which 40 to sell. I'm from England. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm from England too. I'm from Cornwall. And my studio is here in Texas. Lovely to have you here. I'll give you a wave. Give us a wave. How are you, mate? Lovely to see you. All the way from Texas here. Good stuff. Right. I want to put some money back in my buying power. So what I want to do is either sell some more VU or sell some Virgin Galactic as it pops up. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Yeah, 27 now. That's much, much better. Yes, indeed. Let's have a look how we're growing. Shall we have a quick look on the subscribers? See if we've gained a subscriber today. Here it comes. 3223, 3224. There we go. Fantastic. There we go. There we go. Rocket Man says, what did Rocket Man say? He said, yeah, me too, not rich. No one here is rich. Rich people don't have time to watch a video how to make $200 a day. That's right. He's right. That's absolutely right. But there you go. We're all regular folks here doing a regular thing, helping each other out, growing a family. All right, that's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Okay, so Virgin Galactic. I haven't been watching your videos because my iPad broke. Oh, that's a shame. I'm glad you fixed it or whatever you've done. So, Target. We've got a share of Target now. We've got a share of Johnson & Johnson. We've got... I'm a millionaire and I like watching this show. There you go. I'm a millionaire and I like watching this show. There you go. That's nice. We've got everybody here. We've got Peru. He's a wealthy guy. He doesn't need any money. Market Profit, a wealthy guy. I used to be a wealthy guy years ago before COVID destroyed my business and had to go on YouTube. Now not so much. Muzanella. We got some wealthy guys here. I think Martin Reddin. I think we've got John Brunette. We got quite a few, I reckon. Oh, by the way, very, very exciting stuff you might be interested in. Very exciting stuff. Guess who's put... Oh, hang on. Oh, yeah. Guess who's got some more really cool stuff on the eBay shop? Signed personal 2 t-shirts. There's the eBay shop. I'm a Ugandan millionaire. Yeah, that's a good one. I like that one. Yeah, we got some new stuff. Look at this. You're gonna like this. I've got a new t-shirt. This is in medium, so this is a men's size, a medium. Martyn Lucas, the day trader sign. It's right next to me here in the studio, and there's the back of the t-shirt. That's in grey. ML for Martyn Lucas, king of the microphone. See it? And I've also got another item as well. We've got just $6 you can bid. It's an auction. $6. And I've got another one of these t-shirts now. $6. There you go. Just $6. And we want to sell 10 items so we can sell to our international guests. We've sold 4 now. We've got 6 more to sell. And they've also got the Phantom of the Opera World Piano Man card for just $1. but only the Americans can buy it right now until we've sold 6 more items and left 6 comments. Then I can open it up to the world. But right now, we've got 6 more to go. Right. Looking better. Market is rich because he took all his money out of the stock market. Yeah, he's right. He's been a great supporter to the show. He's been like Muzanella and Peru. Not only is he a member, folks, not only is Market Profit a member, but also Market Profit is... he's given me tips for the show as well. Let's remember that. Market Profit, don't forget, if you want a channel on Discord, let me know and I'll make one for you. All right? You can have your own channel, the Market Profit channel, if you want. Just let me know. Hamish. Let's read out Hamish's comment. What do you think about today's low at space and Walmart will be roughly? Keep going lower on this start of the upward slope, in your opinion? Yeah, it's absolutely you should buy a Walmart. I'm going to try and get another one in a minute. Just like Market Profit is dollar cost averaging. And SPCE, I just bought 40 shares this morning to lower my average. But now I know with FIFO, I'm going to sell those 40 in a minute, take a profit, put money back in the bank. I don't need more and more. Always make a profit. But remember now with FIFO, I need to contact Robinhood and say, sell the 4 shares I just bought. The 40 shares I just bought. Now, to give you an idea, it was 40 shares at 6.31. There we go. I've got a small profit there. I won't sell it yet. If I can get it up to 650, something like that, I'll sell 40 shares. It doesn't really matter. A profit's a profit all the time. Lowering averages, making profits all the time, putting money back in cash, not using margin, not paying any interest. That's the way to go, right? In this market right now. Everything, you've got to adjust and learn and adapt all the time. So, my next trade then will be SPCE. If I can get a 650, where was it up here? Yeah, if I can get it around about here, I will sell it. I will sell 40. I see you later when you do this, when you do your singing show. The singing show is in this show. If you become a member, Garrison, we will celebrate your birthday live in the show. It's a perk for the members. I'm feeling a lot better for your portfolio. Even if we see some significant downside later this year, you're going to feel better about everything. Yeah, I do feel better already. I do feel better already, I have to say. 2 things I've learned. I've learned more about margin and how and when and where and why and what, whatever. The other thing is the FIFO rule and how that applies, but also how I can implement it. So I now have the template from Robinhood, and if I can manage to sell 40 shares of Virgin Galactic at 750 today or thereabouts, I will do that, and I will send the email and say, hey guys, I want you to sell these, not the ones I bought first, because that's how to lose money, and we don't want to be doing that. I'm feeling a lot better. There he goes. Market Profit. Thank you very much. Alphabet bought a load of GTLB shares last week. Could be a buy. GTLB. What about... Oh, that's a point. What about... what was it called? What's it called? Target, Walmart, Tesco's, PayPal, Coke, Johnson & Johnson, Arrival. Not that one. SoFi. SoFi and Gove. Yeah, there it is. Okay, here's a couple of things we want to look at today as well. SPCE, yeah. Want to try and get a trade around 650. That's okay, mate. No worry. I missed you talking about it. What changes have you made to your portfolio? Just rewind the video. If you watch the first half an hour of the video, just rewind it back. I went into detail about my margin and explained it all. Amazon and Netflix seeing some severe selling pressure. Yeah, I'm not into Netflix. And the reason why it's not proprietary, it doesn't do anything that anybody else can't do. That's the problem, right? $65. That's all I've got until I can. Arrival. Right. Buy 4 shares of Arrival. 4. There we go. Buy 4 shares of Arrival. That takes it up to 8. Until I can make some money out of Virgin Galactic and VU, these are all micro trades, but it's my own money and it's real. There you go. Starting to come up. We have control of our portfolio now. SoFi. Bought another share of SoFi. Right, Canoe. What do you think about this? Buy 3. Let me just check my balance. Yeah, that's good. Gove. Buy. Done. Target's getting cheaper. Johnson & Johnson's good. See Johnson & Johnson now. Could take a profit actually and then put some money back in the bank. S&P is doing well. Open Door. IPOF. Walmart. Okay, let's do day trader of the day. Let me do day trader of the day. Let me just run a quick 1-minute commercial, and it's day trader of the day. Let's see who's winning today. You might have seen an ad, you might have not. Make sure you thank you for my tea. Refresh the screen. We're coming up now. Much better today. Hood is down. Hood's presenting opportunity. 2%. No, that's all right. 3. Portfolio is 41. Hood 41. Let's get ready to buy another Hood. 1. Review down 2% there. 987. 967. Buy another Hood. Yeah. Done. Now then, let's get back into SPCE. We want to. Here we go. Oh, getting close to doing a trade, and remember that will follow up with an email to Robinhood to sell that. All the news on Amazon very troubling. Should we have a look at my Amazon position? Oh yes, Amazon's down today, 2.5%, down 16% now on Amazon. The reason why I'm keeping Amazon is I think it's very important to love the stock that you own, right? I love the company. I love Amazon. I use Amazon for everything. I love Amazon. I think Amazon are fantastic. So, you know, I'm a user. I'll always use Amazon. I just think it's brilliant. 10 million square foot of warehouse space being sold off and rumours of massive upcoming layoffs. Yeah, but that could be a good thing, though. They grew too fast. That could be a good thing. That's not necessarily a bad thing, though. Is it? Right, SPCE. We've got 2 things here we can make money on. SPCE. We can also make money on VU if it pops up a little bit. And Johnson & Johnson has made me some money today as well. That's up 2% today. That's pretty good. I've only made 0.5%, but it's not worth doing it yet. I'll make at least $1 profit, but there will be a pullback from that. There always is. Yeah, look at that. That's having a good day today. There'll be a pullback on that, I reckon. That's a good day. There we go. Right. We'll revisit Johnson & Johnson later. We took some profits out. We've now got money back in the buying power. Arrival down 2%. I think I like Arrival, as long as it does the business this year. I'm going to buy 8 shares of Arrival, and there we go. Buy that. Takes me up to 16 now. There we go. Hardly down at all now. SoFi. Let's buy 3 shares of SoFi. Okay. That's good. Nice. Canoe. What do we think about this? The rumour with Apple. Do we see it coming to anything? You just don't know. I think it's worth a small amount. I think this is just speculation. What about Canoe and Apple? Yeah. I'm not going all in on it at the moment. Open door down 2.73. IPOF. Walmart's doing well. Market profit is spot on there, look. What does Canoe do? Canoe's an EV company that's supposed to, it's in financial difficulty, but it's rumored to be merging with or being bought out by Apple. And obviously if that happens, it'll be great, but that's not confirmed. If it was confirmed, obviously the stock would be flying up. We wouldn't be in this situation at all, would we? But Walmart is doing well today. 168. Got to wait for a little bit of a pullback on it. I know I've only got 1 share of it at the moment. Tesla just going sideways, not a lot to talk about. Rivian, 27. We'll buy another Rivian. There we go. SPCE, we're looking to trade. If we can get a trade 650, I'll sell 40 shares. Amazon is still going down. I'm not going to do anything with Amazon. Nvidia. Lucid. Oh, watch Lucid. Get back to the portfolio, 168. Lucid is dropping. Remember how low it got? Got over 17. It bounces off 17. So we're nearly at its all-time low right now. I think Lucid's got a great future. So we're nearly at its all-time low right now. Get ready, it's bouncing back up again. Let's see if we can get it on the down swing again. And we'll buy another 2. I think Walmart. I think I'm about to buy a Walmart for the first time and buy back into space after selling at over 56 over a year ago. Very nice. Why do you not want to place any buy orders? Just preference, or is there any reason for it? None whatsoever. Buy orders are fine, and I do it from time to time, but I can also do it manually because obviously I'm trading like you are, but I'm also putting on a show, and it's more entertaining, more dramatic, waiting for a moment. I like doing it. I think it's better for you to watch. It's not very exciting if I just set an order and it's done, is it? You know, it's not. I've rebalanced my portfolio. We're dealing in very small micro trades at the moment, but it can be quite entertaining when it's something really big, like a few shares of Tesla or something like that. But yeah, there's no real reason. It's the same thing. Keep your eye on Tesla. Read my comment above. Let's have a little look. Lots of sell-side orders coming in for Tesla. Huge bear flag formation. We might see another big flush on Tesla. There we go. Market profit is bringing some information out. Very useful information. Lots of sell-side orders coming in from Tesla. Huge bear flag formation. We might see another big flush on Tesla. I love the company, but there is a lot of pressure on them at the moment. And it's also affecting Lucid, Rivian, all the other EV space as well. So let's go between that and Tesla. Where is my Tesla gone? Here it is. It's just up at the moment. I'm still down 7%. I'm not in a position to buy anymore. Don't want to buy anymore. 24% of my portfolio is more than enough. That's overweighted. Overweighted now. I want about 20% tops. So I am looking to trade some Tesla. And I'm only down 6.9%. We could easily pop up and I could sell one. And I would happily do that. Lucid, we're just looking for a drop. We're nearly on a green day today. Much better. I have a lot more control of my portfolio now. That's true. It's more fun. So if you are at a computer anyway, you may if you are at your computer anyway, you may as well do it. Yeah, absolutely. Garrison, you're not poor either. This was a warning not to buy as it is forming a bear flag. Morning, Queen. Good morning, morning, morning. Right, Lucid is going up. We are green for the day. Now then, because I'm not going to watch Lucid for a minute, I want 18, yeah, 1806. Where should I set it? It bounced off here this morning. 18. There you go. I'm going to set a limit order. It might not happen. Buy Lucid. Edit that. Edit that. Buy Lucid. I'll set a limit order. Limit order for 2. And we'll set it for $18. It might not even happen, to be honest. It's turning green right now, so I doubt if it'll happen anyway. Limit order. Limit price 18. 2 shares. Good for the day. Review the order. There we go. If it goes down to 18... it's around about here. There you go. Review the order. So there you go. Who was it who asked me? Hamish. So there you see me doing it now. I'm using a limit order now purely because I'm moving on from Lucid. All right. I'm moving on. I don't have to look at it anymore. We're focusing on other things. But we're turning green. It's all good. Right. We're up today. We're up today by 0.5%. Turning green. Most of my portfolio is green now. Rebalancing, repositioning, clearing margin. It's a different portfolio altogether. It's a different portfolio altogether. SoFi, I've got much, much smaller positions now, but it's my own money at least. Target. What we're looking to do is see why I sold at the top of Virgin, Johnson & Johnson. Does this every day. You make a couple of percent and then clear it. I'm going to water the garden. It's in my birthday suit and enjoy my coffee. Hope you all have a good rest of the day. Market Profit, thanks for sharing that. Aaron Bell, good morning to you. I've got a lot to thank you for. Today is a very big day. I cleared all my margin. I've now got the $43,000 back in margin available again. Not using it. I'm using profits. And I've rebalanced. I'm trading using FIFO, and I'm also trading using the email template from Robinhood to sell the shares I bought today. SPCE, yeah, back to it. Here we go. Right, 40 shares, and I will then contact Virgin Galactic, that'd be good. I'll contact Robinhood. I bought 40 at 631. So I'm going to sell 40, but then I have to contact Robinhood now. So that cost me 252. 252. That's a $7 profit at the moment. Let's give it a little bit longer. Okay. Sell space, and I'll take a note of this then. And then I've got to contact Robinhood. SPCE sold. FIFO. There you go. So get ready. I've lowered my average. Sell space, shares 40. Review the order. It's not quite there yet. I mean, it is a profit. I bought it for $252. So it's a $7 profit. It's basically getting a free share of Virgin. That's basically what we're doing right now. $6.48. It's hit that top again. Sell. I'm going to take it there. All right. $6.49. There we go. Nice. So I got a $2.59 over 252. So I made $7. I basically got a free share of Virgin Galactic. That's the way to do it. So now what I have to do, now I've done that, it will sell one of my higher stocks and I've lost money. And we can't have that anymore, right? We've learned. So what I do is I will go with my template to Robinhood and I will go, right, I bought these here at 631 and I sold at 649. I want to sell these 40 at 631. And I can go into that order and I can go, there you go. I want to sell the shares I bought at this time, filled here. Look, let me just show you. I filled it at this time. I bought 40 at 252, blah, blah, blah. And I've basically got 2 days to do that, which is fine. I'll do it at the end of the day. They will receive that order, and I will make a profit on that. I'll make $7. That is good. That is good. My profit will be up. Everything will be good. And we are done. We've lowered our averages. We've now got some money back in the portfolio, 401. We're green again. We've got no margin. I've got control of my portfolio. It does feel better, I have to say. Hi, folks. Sorry, I've been busy scalping like a wee madman. There he is. Let's bring in our members this morning. We've got Rob McLean from Scotland.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There we go. Wonderful stuff. Who else have we got here today? We got the Queens here.
I'd like to welcome the new members especially, and I'm so proud of this family and your work. Well, especially this family has been so wonderful doing some work for Uganda. On behalf of Zach, I'd like to thank you so much.
There we go. She's talking about the money we raised for Zach. Absolutely wonderful stuff. Very, very nice indeed. So there we go. Now then, for those of you who just tuned in this part of the show, we are coming up to the end. I completely cleared away all my margin. I rebalanced the account. I've got no debt anymore. We've got cash on hand. We're making profit. We're up today. We're now we've got our template from Robinhood. We can now sell the shares we want to sell, not just FIFO and lose out because you're not aware of what you're selling. I bought out. I've bought back in again. I've lowered my position, repositioned everything, and as you can see, much, much healthier position right now. Sometimes you got to do that, and that's what we're doing. And the other news of the day as well is the video that was removed on Friday. Some of you might have, the Thursday afternoon show. This Thursday afternoon show, you may have remember the closing bell on the, where are we today? Past live streams. It was closing bell opening. Yeah, I think it was. Yeah, this one here. And we had a great conversation with Peru and Ali Tisro about crypto. It was taken down. And I thought there's a problem. They told me scam and deception and so on and so forth. It wasn't. It was a bug on YouTube. Many creators lost that video. They lost videos that day, put them into private and sent you an email telling you that you've got all kinds of problems with your channel. And I thought, what? I talk about crypto all the time. Why is that? Why is it an issue? But anyway, if you are interested, that video is reinstated, and it was a great conversation. In fact, I'll just give you a quick taste of it. If you didn't hear it, you actually want to go and have a listen to this. It was a great video with Ali Tisro and Peru. They called in and had a really in-depth conversation about crypto. I loved it.
So by the time you're hitting close to all-time high, someone will sell it. And someone will sell it for their employee. You know, in an XRP chart, stellar.
And we had
in the market, Bitcoin. There's Bitcoin whales. They own the whole thing. There's Ethereum whales. There's whales and everything. So yes, then they can dump it when the price goes up. But I think that's the same with anything, even with.
And we had Ali Tisro in as well. So it was a great conversation. If you want to learn more about crypto, I strongly recommend you go and check out this video. There it is. It was taken down. It was removed. You couldn't see it. So if you're a rebel and you like You like watching videos that have an edge. That was banned. This one was banned, but it's not now. It was a glitch with YouTube. Many creators lost their videos. So there you go. Another reason why I tell everybody to follow me on Twitch and Twitter. It's why it's so important. It's backup. So if you've not yet followed me on Twitch, please do. I'm trying to get 50 followers, and I need 3 people a day in Twitch. Don't abandon YouTube. YouTube is far more important, but have it, if you can, have it running in the background. So there's my Twitch, and if you want to follow me on Twitter as well, as I say, it's a backup for the account. And there you go. There's actual evidence. It actually does happen. It does happen. Here is my Twitter account for the day trader. Here it is. I'll give you that as well. All these links are all below all my videos, and of course they're all on the all links button. If you're watching right now and you think, I like this show, I want to be part of it, we now have a very exclusive new membership level. Another feature that YouTube have just added, and you are able to get what's called the investor level. It's a lot of money. It's $499. You could do it for a month or a one-off, whatever, and you get very exclusive content only made for you. So if you are a very wealthy person who wants to invest in this channel and become an investor member, there is a level for you, and you get your very own exclusive content. Only you get it. It's videos made specifically for you. It's the investor level, and they've released this new level now. So there we go. Very interesting stuff. Now then, I don't know if anyone can see this. Let me go to another screen a minute. Apparently, there is a new thing in the super chat. Apparently, let me just switch my account to be my other me, Martyn Lucas. And apparently, in the live chat, I'm going to check, you can actually gift someone a membership. It's being rolled out, and I can only do it when I'm live, so I want to test it now, and let's see if it actually exists in the chat. Apparently, you can now gift a membership. Yes, you can. Free membership milestone chat. Send a highlighted message. I can do that, look. Hi all. Okay, look at this. Send that. But look, there is a membership gifting. Buy membership for multiple gifting. Can you see this? It's a new feature added to YouTube. There you go. Membership gifting. See that? So go and check that out. You can actually gift someone a membership as a present. So if you want to tip me or you want to show support for someone in the channel, you can give them a membership for a month, and then they can try it out. It's quite a nice thing, right? So there you go. I just thought you might be interested to know that does exist in the chat. You might want to give someone who's not a member a gift. So you can look in the chat and you can see, look, who's watching. You can go, look, Aaron Bell. Aaron Bell is not a member. And I can give Aaron Bell the benefits of being a member. Shall I do it, actually? Shall I do it? Shall I be the first person to do it? Let me just check a minute. Yeah. Does that mean I can cash app you for a membership? Yeah, you could. You could cash app me. And I could pay it for you if you wanted to. Yeah, you could do that. But look, so if you want to do that, look, you can cash app me, yeah. It's at Martyn Lucas. You've got my cash app, haven't you? You've used it before. So let me do that now, look. Here we go. This is how it works. I can gift a member 5 memberships, 10 memberships, 20 memberships. I want to do obviously 1. Oh, I see. I've got to buy gift memberships to this channel's viewers. Your gift will be publicly announced. Lucky recipients selected by YouTube. Oh, selected by YouTube get 1 month of access to perks from bronze. Buy 5 memberships. So I'm just clicking on it. I'm just clicking on it a minute. Hang on a minute. How does it work? Okay, it brings up my... Oh, I see. I can buy 5. Oh, I see. Okay. It says I can buy 5. Oh, hang on. Gifted the day trader memberships. Ali gifted 1. So how did that work then? Ali Tisro beat you to it. Who was the lucky winner? Okay, how does that work then? We're just trying this out now. How did that actually work then? Let me go back to the portfolio a minute and see what's going on. So, there we go. It says in the chat, hang on. Ali Tisro gifted 1. Soren S has become a member. Oh, look at that. Soren S has got a free membership. Was gifted a membership by Ali Tisro. Look at that. Soren S, you are in the show. You've got a free membership. How flipping cool is that? Ali Tisro, legend again. Total legend. That's how it works. So you don't buy it for someone. It picks someone in the chat. Wow, how flipping amazing was that? Ali, what did you have to do? Did you have to buy 5 or did you just buy 1? Because it said to me I could only buy 5. What did you do? So what did you do, Ali? Did you buy 5? So I guess what it does, it gives people in the chat. Oh, you bought 1. You did buy 1. Okay. So you can just buy 1. All right. I didn't see that. I was looking at something wrong then, right? But you saw it. That's great. You can buy 1. Don't know why it had to be 5. I mean, obviously, I did something wrong. So you bought 1. And did you select who you wanted to win it? Or did YouTube do it? So just tell me how it worked. Did you choose someone? Or did it just do it? No, it's automatic. It's automatic. Okay, it's automatic. So it just picks someone. So basically, Aaron Bell is the only person who's not a member in our chat. So I guess if somebody bought 1, Aaron Bell would get it. That's how it works, I guess. How cool is that? There we go, new feature. And Ali Tisro, thank you very, 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 very much for doing that. Huge shout out to Ali Tisro, everybody. And we're going to embarrass him now.
You should definitely join the day trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
That's really cool. There we go. New features there today. Fantastic. So we've got Arrival now, just dropping back a bit. I'm not buying any more. Let the whole so I've got to now email Virgin Galactic. God, I keep saying that. I've got to email now Robinhood and tell them to sell the correct shares of SPCE. Very, very important. All right. So I've lowered my average. I've got the money out. I made a profit. And that's how we do it. And now it's going down again. So now I can do it again. This is so much better. I feel I've learned so much. I don't know if anybody else agreed with me. But I learn more from mistakes than I do from success. Always. You go always stronger. So now, Soren S., you are a member on our channel now. So Soren S., you have all the benefits of a bronze member. Ali Tisro, does it say if it was a bronze or what? Soren S. Where does it say if he's a bronze or silver member? It doesn't, does it? It just says was gifted a membership. Yeah, you don't actually know in the chat. Let me have a look. Yeah. So I'm assuming he's a bronze member. Why does FIFO matter if you're not using margin? Because it will sell. What it does, Robinhood and most brokerages, the default is first in, first out. So if you bought a share at $100 and you bought a share at $80, it will sell the $100 share first, and you might want to sell the $80 share, or you might want to sell the $120 share, whatever. If you don't do it, oh, hang on. The day Soren S gifted the Day Trader 1 membership. Oh, look at that. Yeah, so if you don't tell Robinhood, they will sell the first in, first out rule. So you might not want that to be the case. But why? All the shares are worth the same at the point that you sell. No, they're not. If you buy a share at $10 and then you buy a share at $20 and then you buy a share at $5, it will sell, and then you sell one, it will sell the one at 10. And you might want to sell the one at 20. It will sell the first one you bought and then knock it off the list. First in, first out. Okay? If you've got no stocks and you buy shares and then you sell them, it doesn't matter. You're just selling what you just bought. But you may have already bought some shares last week, last month. Remember, I don't clear out all my shares. I'm not a full day trader buys and sells all in one go. Gone and done. My stocks live in my portfolio, so I want to make sure I sell the right ones. It's very, very important. Who's going to be the lucky winner? It's like a game of hot potato. Soren S has just gifted the Day Trader. It's incredible. A membership. Let's see who gets it. I guess it's so Soren S and Hamish are the two members, the unmembers in the channel right now. So there you go. It's going to be one of those two, I'd imagine. I will cash out whoever ends up getting me one. I'm here too often for it not to happen. Tesla bear flag playing out. Must be bronze. Okay. It must be. Is it? Okay. But why? All the shares are worth the same. No, we've answered that one. Who is going to be the lucky winner? Shout out to Soren. It's like hot potato. Yeah, but when you sell, if they have all gone down up to the same value. No, when you sell... Yeah, when you sell it for the price that you're selling it for. I get it, but you don't want to be selling a stock that you paid more for. Does that make sense? You want to choose one that you paid less for, so you make a profit. I understand what you're saying now. Yeah, I understand what you're saying, Hamish. I understand what you're saying. I've explained it now. Market Profit has given you a link, but yeah, that's right. If you don't, it's hard to put it into words, but if you don't tell them which one you'll sell, you're selling a stock you paid $20 for for $10. You want to see you want the one you've just bought for $8 to sell for $10. Does that make sense? You want to sell the one that's less than for what you just sold it for, not the one that's more than you just sold it for. Otherwise, you lose money. All right. If you sell a share now at $10, you want to sell the one you bought at $8, not the one you bought at $12. That makes sense, right? I've explained it clearly now, right? There you go. But they're all worth the same. It doesn't matter how much you paid for them. No, like I've just said, you're selling it for the price that you've just sold it for, but you want to sell one that you bought for less, so you make a profit. You don't want to sell one you paid more for. All right? Otherwise, you lose money, don't you? Right? Who got the membership? So anyway, Soren S, you are now a member of the Day Trader. You get 1 month for free as a bronze member. That gives you loads of perks and benefits, all right? We can celebrate your birthday. You can have a birthday celebration if in the next month it's your birthday, all right? That's very cool. You'll get replies to your comments on YouTube. You get promoted in the channel. You can also now get full access to all the exclusive channels on Discord. That's one of the big perks of being a member. So let me give you the Discord link, right? So go to Discord and I will upgrade you to become a full member to see all the exclusive channels. Here is the Discord link for you. All right. If you are already on Discord, tell me what your Discord membership is and I'll upgrade you. If you're not on Discord, Soren S, go and become a member. It takes you 10 minutes to get through the high level of security. We have a 10-minute rule. But if you are already on Discord, you're thinking you can't see many channels. That's because you're not a member. Well, you are now, and I can upgrade you, and you can see all of them. FIFO also a tax benefit. If you bought last year, then it will sell your oldest first. That's right. You pay less tax if you hold over 1 year. There you go. Another benefit. Thank you very much, Rocket Man, for adding that one. I didn't know that one. We just learned something else. Ali Tisro, member for 2 months, gold. Look at that. Member for 2 months now. Love it. Love every second. Thank you very much. Who's the winner of this? Soren S bought one, and it hasn't gifted anybody yet. I wonder how long it takes. All of a sudden, someone's going to become a member. I'm on Discord. Ah, there we go. Red Wine. You forgot about me. Oh, I'm sorry. I forget about everyone. Don't worry about that. Red Wine. Okay, I'm going to update you now. Yeah, red. Remember all that? Whenever he came in, we're supposed to do that. Red Wine. Okay, here we go. And you are a... You're already a member. Was you a member and then cancelled? That must be what happened. Was you already a member? Soren S, did you downgrade? Just let me know because I want to check how that's working. It says you're already a member. So was you a member before and you downgraded? You cancelled it. I just want to check. Red Wine. UB40. It says here you are a member. The winner must click the chat message and agree. Ah, I was a member. There you go. Well, you're a member again now. That makes sense. So I've got to update that, and so it unmembers you, if you like. Now I am again. That's right. You are for a month. That's right. Right. Oh, I see. It says the winner must click the chat message and agree to receive the gifts. Oh, I see. So Aaron Bell, Paul, who else might it be? Hamish. So I guess if they don't do it, it'll be the next person who comes in. Once we end the stream, the next stream, we're live. Someone could get. I like that. That's a great perk, isn't it? So it's either Hamish or or Aaron Bell. And I don't think Amish is here. That's why Amish is not being collected. So the next time we start the show, whoever is randomly chosen will be able to get a membership. How cool is that? I like that feature. I like that feature a lot. It could be Aaron Bell. You might not have clicked it. I bet it's Hamish. Not me. I've already agreed to gifts. Okay. Okay, it's not you. All right, well, somebody. It's Aaron. Is it Aaron? Has Aaron not collected it? I can't see it. I can't see it. Anyway. We're going to wrap up the show there. It's just gone 10 o'clock. I'll give you a minute because I want whoever it is to claim it. We don't want anyone to miss out, do we? And then let's do day trader of the day. I keep forgetting to do it. Okay. So let's run a quick commercial and let's do day trader. Did you sell your crypto? Yeah, pretty much. I had to clear my margin. So it's not you either. It's somebody. Somebody's been gifted it. It'll come up. It might be someone who's left. Who anyway, we'll find out. Because in the next show, someone's going to claim it. It's going to pop up. Very good. Yeah, this is my position. There's a little switch thing underneath the message that says allow gifts. Is that right? Is there a little switch under your name? There's a little switch under your name. Membership gifting, super chat. There's a little switch looking thing underneath the message that says allow gifts. Someone's missing it. Let me just go hi all, put my name in there a minute. Yeah, where's the little 3 dots? Report? No. I can't see the little switch where you're talking about. I can't see it. I can't see the little switch you're talking about. Hamish, refresh the page. This is a cool ad. It's very cool. It's very cool. It's a lot of fun, that is. Help people out and give the people opportunity to try things out and support. Because you guys can then gift people in the show. Not just tipping me, you're tipping people in the show. How nice is that? I think that's a really nice feature. I think it's a really, really nice feature. Right, let's do day trader of the day. Go to your main portfolio and are you up or are you down? So I'm up. What a great day. Managed to really turn things around. Up 0.33%. I'll take it. Right. Up 0.33%. I wish it told you who it was. And then you could tell someone. Yeah, that's good. In 5 months when we're around the 20,000 and Ethan 1,000, please buy in. Yeah. So I did. I sold it. I sold my Bitcoin. I've set it to buy at 25,000. Ethereum. Yeah, look, I've got like $10. That's it. BSV on the other hand, I bought BSV this morning, which is up 10.5%. So there we go. I bought one whole BSV. I'll show a screenshot on Discord once the 10-minute timer is done to show the switch I'm talking about. Okay. Once the 10-minute timer is done. What 10 minutes is that? Don't worry about BSV. It's up 11%, no. I'll take it. Anyway, so here we go. Let's get the scores. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. So I guess if no one claims it on the next show, it'll be there. Somebody will get it. So everybody look, if you're not a member, see who's got the gifted membership. Someone's won a gifted membership. If you don't claim it, I'm sure it'll pop up in the next stream and somebody could win a free membership. How cool is that? Right. Paul is up 2.21. Soren S is down 0.27. Market profit up 1.95 on Walmart. Very nice. The winner is Paul so far. All right. Down 2%. Ali, you are the man no matter what. Absolutely right. Thank you for starting that off. Really great. Hamish. 10 minutes before I messaged Discord, I only just signed up. Oh, I see. 10 minutes before I can message on Discord, I just signed up. Okay. Yeah. So the winner is Paul. Let's thank Paul for his honest trades. There we go. Give him a big thank you and a big thumbs up. Thank you very much, Paul. Congratulations. And let's give him a big round of applause. Come on. Nice one, Paul. Congratulations. Ali Tisro, is that another gift? Ali Tisro has gifted another. Amish has become a member. Amish was gifted a member. There you go. It tells you. There we go. Hamish was gifted a membership by Ali Tisro. There you go. How cool is that? How cool is that? That's amazing. What a lovely gesture. Everybody's winning like that. That's awesome. I love all the members are winning like that. It's really cool. Really, really cool. Great feature. Ali seems like a guy I would have a drink with. There you go. Thanks, Martin. There you go. So there we go. Let's clear that away. Maybe a countdown. Maybe it is. Maybe it takes a little while. But anyway, there you go. I would imagine if you didn't claim it, the last one must have been Aaron. It probably wouldn't have given it to me because he hasn't allowed gifts. I don't know. How do you know Aaron hasn't allowed gifts? How do you know that? Right. So, Hamish, you are now a member. So, once you sign up to Discord, let me know what is your. You can tell me now, actually. What if you are in our Discord channel right now? What is your username? If you tell me your username, I will add you as a member already. So, Hamish, what is your username in Discord? I've just seen. Is it Mish? I can see ya. I can see Mish. There he is. There's Mish. There he is. Look, I'm going to make you a member. Rolls. There you go. I'm making you a member. There you go. You can now see all the channels. You can talk to Peru, Angel Invest. You can talk to our Angel Investor, all of the good stuff. All right. You're now a bronze member. It only lasts for a month. You can then continue it if you like the service. If you want to go upgrade to silver to have your 20-minute concert and get on the YouTube channel, you can. But as a bronze member, you get celebrate your birthday this month, if it's your birthday this month or anyone else. I love it. There you go. Look at that. Everyone's welcomed you in. You've got loads of likes. Hamish. See the welcome here? That's a cool thing. Just welcomed you in. Look, everyone's liked you coming in. We've got Mike, me. Yeah, me and Mike. and yourself. Yeah, me and Mike. Me and Mike have done it. There you go. Very nice indeed. Very nice indeed. All right. We're going to get off now. That's a great new feature. I do love that. And thank you, Ali Tisra, for starting that off. That was just absolutely fantastic. Ali Tisra, I set another one. There is one gift that's not claimed. Ali Tisro has sent a gift, everybody, that has not been claimed. So, who's receiving the love this morning? Who's receiving the love from Ali Tisro? Someone hasn't claimed it yet. Check your position. If you're not a member, you might become a bronze member right now, live in the show. Some love is being sent to you from Ali Tisro from England. Thanks for the welcome, everyone, and to you, Ali, for the gift. Absolutely awesome. We need a person, Paddy, this summer for this. We need an in-person Paddy this summer. We need an in-person party this summer for this channel. It'd be good, wouldn't it? Would be good. So who's got the love coming? Go and check yourself out. Make sure that one of you hasn't yet claimed, you've got the opportunity to claim it. Anyway, we're up today, 0.05. I'm happy with that. Nudist party market. I've got some money in cash. I've got no, there you go. Mike has subscribed to Hamish. I love the vibes right now. It's awesome. Love it. Best channel in the world because of you guys. All right. I've got some money in my buying power now. I've got no margin. I've cleared it all out. Yes, lots of nudist resorts in Texas. I sent a photo on Discord for the Switch. Ah! Hamish, where did you send it? Where did you put it? General chit chat. Here it is. Aha. Okay. Where do you find that Switch? Look at this, folks. Look at this. Where do you find this? The day trader gift settings. Allow gifts of this channel. Choose whether others can gift you a day trader membership 1 month. Publicly announced on the channel. Where do you go for that? Where do you go for that? So I'm going to go over to here a minute. See perks. Manage membership, end membership, report, sign up, chain level. Where do you see it? Where's the switch? You've sent me the sticker, but where's the switch? Show perks information. Where did you find it? Learn more about memberships, your privacy, change level, report, end memberships. Where did you see that? Is it in the live chat? Membership gifting. Yeah, you didn't say where you found that button. Where's that button? If you win, it asks you. Oh, if you win, it asks you. It doesn't bring it up. It doesn't bring it up straight away. Okay. Okay. If you win, it asks you in the chat. Allow gifts. Okay. There you go. Thank you very much for sharing that with us. You have to win for it to be gifted to you. Ah. There you go. There you go. It comes up in the chat. Look at this. There you go. So Ali Tisro gifted the Day Trader membership. Next time you could be a lucky recipient of Day Trader Allow Gifts. There you go. So Aaron Bell. Oh, there you go. So it comes up. It comes up. See it? It comes up in the chat if you win it. Next time you allow gifts. There you go. Very good. If you win it, asks you in the chat. Okay. China just announced. China says in the US is playing with fire on Taiwan issue. Brandon, what's Brandon got to do with anything? Brandon. I just noticed a comment called Brandon. What does that mean? Aaron, go back in the chat and click allow. Okay. He's looking for it. Feels like a new start, Martin. No stress now with margin. Should be less emotional trading. Looking forward to the coming months. Yeah, absolutely. He doesn't know about Brandon. No, I don't have a clue. Hey, I got it showing up even on the ones that weren't gifted to me. Oh. I never got it. I got it showing up even on the ones that weren't gifted to me. That's interesting. I've shown you where to find it in general chit chat. No, it shows you even if you don't win. Oh. Well, I never saw that. Aaron Bell might have a restricted account and he's not able to receive it. Maybe Aaron Bell can't receive memberships. Maybe he's got a restricted account. Yeah. Aaron Bell, you might have a for children account. You might have a restricted YouTube channel or for children or something like that, so that you can't receive it. So basically, there is a free membership going. So the next time we start the chat, someone is going to pop up for them. Awesome. So I look forward to this afternoon's show. Right, we've got to end the show right now. We've gone way over time. Maybe something to do with account settings or country or something. Yeah, could well be. Yeah, you could have restricted access. I know if your channel is made for children, you can't get anything. I mean, there's so much you can't do. Market profit, how old are you, if you don't mind me asking? Right, anyway, got to end the show. Much better day. I feel much more in control. We've got money in cash. We don't owe any money. We've got no interest payments. We're now able to earn on our cash money. We're also able to stake our stocks. Awesome. So much better. All right. I think we'll end it there. We've bought some dips. You're all young. I'm 54. Target's gone down a bit. What about Walmart? I wanted to buy... Oh, Walmart is pumping, isn't it? Look at that. With a restricted account. There you are. You have got a restricted account. There you go. Ali Tisro, 20. Bloody hell. Got a young crowd here, haven't we? Okay, I'm going to end the show. You've been absolutely fantastic. Thank you very much, everyone on TikTok. Over there on Facebook, we had a crowd today as well. Thank you to you. Also on the Facebook group, thank you to you. Twitch, we've got 26 followers. We didn't manage to get another follower today. But thank you very much over on Twitch. That's cool. Also, we were on LinkedIn and Twitter. Dollar cost average into Walmart. I'd like it to go a bit lower, but having said that, though, it's a really good buy. I mean, look at it. I mean, that's really dropped, hasn't it? It's only up 0.84%. Is it a good time to buy it? Can I get it a bit better? Yeah, could set an order, and I want to buy it for, you know. I mean, that's it. Dollar cost averaging doesn't mean always getting it cheaper. As a stock starts to move up and, you know, and do well, you know, you're never going to see a Bitcoin for $1. You're never going to see Tesla for $5. Set a limit. That's it. Could set a limit. My average cost is 120.71, and if it goes to there, I could do that. I've not got much money in my cash at the minute, so I'm going to leave it. But it is a good buy, though. I agree totally. Every week buy 10 Walmarts. Yeah. It is cheap right now, isn't it? Should I buy another one? I'm encouraged by the fact market profit loves it. There's a good dividend as well. There you go. I bought another one. Because even though it's up 2% today, you've just got to look back and see how much it's crashed, right? And remember, I bought it here and it continued going down. So actually, even though it's up 2.2% today, it's actually, you know, 2% less than where I bought it in. So it's actually it's still a good buy. Anyway, decide how much allocation you want to put to it. Decide how much of your portfolio it should be. But it's definitely a buy. It's got the great dividend. You know, you're not going to get it at that price probably ever again. If you look at it, yeah, you're probably never going to get that price again. It's gone back 2 years. I'm buying solely on the dividends and price right now, even though I think it's going to 100. No, I get what you're saying. You're just going to keep averaging it down. That makes sense. Makes perfect sense. The dividend is great. Wrap it up and spend some time with the wife. That's it. All right. We're gonna get off. Thank you ever so much, guys. Been a great day today. I feel a lot better. I hope you all feel better. Thank you for Ali and all of you that gifted today. The wonderful gifts of membership. I've made everyone's a member. Who's our other member who just became a member? Who is it who just became Ali? Who was it who became a member? It was Soren S, Red Wine, we've done that. It was Hamish. So Hamish, you haven't yet told me your account over there on Discord, so I can update you. Oh yeah, you're Mish. I have done it, haven't I? It was Mish. So I have done it. I want to make sure I did it, and I have done it. Rolls, yep, done it. Okay, I've done it. Hamish, yep, I've done it. All right, that's it. Thank you ever so much indeed for being here today. I'll see you all back for the closing bell. If you stick to the end of the video, it'll take you right there. And remember to win Day Trader of the Year, our star trader. First to like, first to click, first to leave a comment, always puts you in the draw. All right. If you want to be in the cash prize draw for Friday and you've not yet watched the video or want to watch it again for another chance to win, watch all the way through, leave a like, and leave the word margin in a sentence. There it is. I posted it in the chat for you, and you'll be in the cash prize draw for Friday. Fantastic. Ali Isles, I've not forgotten about you. Of course, we've got to do your cash giveaway. You've got your sponsoring a cash giveaway as well. So that's it from me. Stick to the end of the video, and you'll get the link straight to the next one this afternoon. That's it. Take care of yourselves and each other.